Hello everyone, today I was kindly sent a free product sample by the company IEC Technology. And today what they've sent me is a 22,400 milliamp power bank, and that's extremely high capacity. Power banks usually come in 5,000 to 20,000 at the most that I've seen, so this one's a lot better to me. If we look at the front of the box, we can see that it says a 22,400 milliamps there. It's got a 1 watt LED flashlight. It's got 3 USB outputs, which you can see there, and there. And you can see just there is a little light. We can also notice that we've got the 4 charging lights along here. So what's so great about this product is that it does come with a warranty. And if we look at the back, we can see that it comes with a 12-month warranty. And it also says 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So obviously that's going to make you want to buy this product even more, because you know that you're going to be satisfied with the product. If there's any problems, I know the company very well. I'm sure they'd be happy to try and find a solution for you. So there's no worries when you buy this product. Obviously you've got the normal warnings: don't dismantle or crush the battery, keep it dry, keep away from fire and moisture. What's also great about this is you can charge 3 different devices at once. What's even better, because it's got such high power output, you could even have a dual wire. So 1 USB port with 2 different wires. So one could be a micro USB wire and one could be a lightning USB wire. So you could charge more than 3 devices at once. So if we just go ahead and open it up. So upon opening, we can see that it's very well neatly packed. We've got our typical micro USB cable for charging here. Just put that to one side for now. Then we've got our very well protected power bank in our plastic bag. Take that out. So it's got quite a bit of weight to it, which is nothing less than what you'd expect because it's got quite a high capacity to it. You've got the micro USB charging port there, your 3 USB ports and your LED light. We've also got the details on the back, which says model number, the input, which is DC 5 volts, 2 amps max. And it says for output, iPhone is 1 amp max, Samsung Tab 2 amps max, iPad 2.4 amps max. Capacity is 3.7 volts, 22,400 milliamps, which is equivalent to 82.8 watts. We can see it's got the CE mark, RoHS compliant. All your good marks to know that it's a genuine good quality product with your branding. So if we look into the user manual, we can see, there we go. The package includes the external battery, micro USB cable, instruction manual. The dimensions of it is 170 by 80 by 23 millimeters. So as I said about the weight, it's 462 grams. So like I said, it's quite a lot. The surface material is a matte plastic, so it gives you a bit more grip on it. The output is a max of 5 volts, 3.1 amps, and it uses a lithium ion battery because they're rechargeable. So if we turn over, we can see that power indicator will flash when you charge the power bank. The 4 indicators will light up and stay solid when it is fully charged. Double press again to highlight, double press to SOS, and double press again to turn off the light. Micro USB port charging input is 5 volts, 2 amps. Output, like I mentioned before. You can see this diagram shows what's what. So for the power indicator, you got 1 light is 0 to 25% battery, 2 lights is 26 to 50, 3 lights 51-75, and 4 lights is 76 to 100. What's great about that is you're always going to know how much battery you got left and when it's time to charge it. So as you can see, we've got a little frequently asked question area. So what device can this power bank charge? The output of this power bank is 5 volts. It can charge all the 5 volt devices, included phone, tablets, MPS, PSP, etc. The output of the power bank is 2 amps. Can it charge a phone with 1 volt input? The answer is yes, the power bank can recognise the input of the phone automatically. What this means is it's got smart IQ charging, which is what you get on a lot of good branded power banks that I've noticed. So notes: for any damage to the product, turn to professional assist from your nearest service centre. So basically, don't try and fix a product yourself. It's also good to, if it wasn't your own fault that the product's become damaged, contact the seller. Like I said, I'm sure they'll sort something out for you. As you can see here, we've got contact information for the company. I wouldn't recommend calling them if you're from the UK or anywhere else that isn't the United States, otherwise it may cost you. So the best option would be to email them or visit them at their website. So the statement is: we are able to provide after-sales service for purchases directly from EC Technology only. If you have purchased from a different retailer, please contact them for any exchange or refund request. Please note that the unauthorized reselling of EC Technology product is prohibited. After that, we notice that we've got the exact same information in German, and then we've got it in Chinese, I believe that is, as well as not sure what language that is. It might be French, maybe Spanish as well. Either way, you've got it in almost any language that you'd need. So it's an amazing little instruction book. It's got a QR code on the back, so if you can just scan that with your phone, it'll probably take you straight to the website. So looking more at the product itself, we can see here that it's got the company logo on. Even though it's a logo, it's still a nice looking one because it's got the little 3 love hearts. As you can see, it's about the size of my hand. So it's pretty big. It's not something you could carry around in your pocket really. So if we press the power button just once, we notice that we get the 4 LED indicators lights, but only 3 come on because it's about 75% charged. Then if we go ahead and double click the button, we notice that we get the little light, as you can see there. And then if we double click it again, we notice that it gets even brighter. So you've got 2 different lighting modes if you need it. If we press it again, we notice that we get the SOS function, which is 3 dots, 3 dashes, and then 3 more dots. So that's great in emergencies if you need it. Obviously, hopefully it won't come to that. It's a brilliant product. Charges the phone really well. Amazing company. I've had products from them before and they've always been perfect, so I could definitely recommend them as a trusted seller. Please check out their website. I'm sure they've got many other different products if you're looking for one that's smaller, maybe one that's more powerful. This is definitely a good shop to go to. Just check them out online. It's EC Technology once again. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to check out their page.